let's make
mug recipes. Let's make mug pasta.
Ingredients we need are
Macaroni, milk, cheese, salt, seasonings, black pepper and all-purpose flour.
and don't forget your mug. Let's start the recipe. Add macaroni and let's add the milk. Then microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes.
After 2 minutes, our macaroni is partly cooked. Stir it well and add the seasonings. Let's add a pinch of salt, pinch of oregano, pinch of chili flakes, all-purpose flour and black pepper, pinch of black pepper, and let's stir it very well. I have added little milk. Now let's add the grated cheese. Stir it well and let's cook for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes, our macaroni is cooked, and now let's add a little bit of milk and our grated cheese. This is my favorite part, and mix it well. Let's mix it well and microwave it for about a minute. After a minute, it's ready. Let's taste it.